Creating an account in the Learning Management System. Once you have your Moodle site installed, you can start to use the system. Contact your school administrator or division ITO for the site URL. Go to your Moodle site. Click the Login button, then click the Greater Than button. And click Create New Account button. Fill in all the required fields. After filling out the required fields, click Create My New Account button. Now, check your email. You will receive an account confirmation after submitting the form. Open the sent mail, and confirm your account by clicking the given link. You can now log in by using your username and password. That's all for the process of creating your account in the Learning Management System. Please take note that after creating an account, your default role in the system will be a student level. For teachers and school administrators, please contact your division ITO for updating your role as a teacher or admin. Thank you.